Unlock secure online banking with your Natwest Card Reader. Let's dive into how this essential tool keeps your finances safe. When you log into your Natwest online banking, you'll be prompted to use your card reader for an extra layer of security. This ensures it's really you accessing your account, not someone else. First, turn on your card reader. You'll typically find a power button on the side or back. The screen will then light up, ready for your input. Next, insert your Natwest debit or credit card into the reader. Just as you would at a shop, make sure it's the correct way up, following the on-screen guide or arrow on the reader. The reader will then ask for your PIN. Enter your usual Natwest card PIN using the keypad on the device. Double-check you've entered it correctly before proceeding. Once your PIN is confirmed, the card reader will generate a unique, one-time security code, often called a dynamic code. This code is specifically for this particular transaction or login session. Now, look at your Natwest online banking screen. You'll see a field where you need to enter this generated security code from your card reader. Carefully type it in, and that's it. By using your card reader to generate these unique codes, you're adding a vital barrier against fraud, protecting both your logins and your transactions. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your online banking secure.